Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a fall grapevine wreath and these are the supplies I'm using. Okay, to get started I'm going to break down these stems. It's very easy to do. You just tear them apart into sections and I want them ready to go for me. I want them waiting for me. So I'm going to get this grapevine out of the way and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by breaking them apart. They're wrapped in paper but they are in sections. So I'm taking the tag off and I'm going to break apart each section of this stem. The main stem you are going to have to trim down because it's the longest of the stems. I purchased these stems from Hobby Lobby in their fall section and it was 40% off. I'm going to start with 3 for my grapevine. I do have 3 more if I need it. My grapevine is 14-inch and I did purchase that from Hobby Lobby as well. So you can see there's little effort to breaking these apart. The hardest part is just getting that last stem because it's pretty thick. Now I'm going to go back through each and every piece that I have and trim it up. I just want a fresh cut on the end of the stem. And as I'm doing this, you can see I have my glue pot heating up, ready for me when I need it. Some of the paper at the end you can rip off, but I'm dipping it in glue, so I know it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to fray. They're not going to break apart. It'll be just fine. When you are cutting your stems, you can kind of cut them at an angle. Sometimes I do a blunt cut, and sometimes I do cut it at an angle. Okay friends, all of my pieces are ready to go for me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of fan them out before I place them into the grapevine because they do get kind of smashed, but I want them to come alive. So I'm just fanning it out, playing with it, getting it exactly the way I want it. And I'm going to do this to every single piece that I have. You could probably do this as you're clipping them and maybe get them ready, but I'm just going to do it piece by piece as we go. Get my finger guards on because that glue is hot. So I'm going to dip it in the glue and I'm going to go in at a slant in the grapevine. You don't want to poke it straight through because it'll come out the back. You want it to go at a slant. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fan them out, place them in the grapevine at a slant, and I'm just going to keep turning the grapevine until I make my way all the way around the grapevine. This is a very quick project. You just grab 3 stems of whatever fall foliage that you want. You break them apart, you trim up the ends, dip them into glue, and you just go into the grapevine. It goes very quickly. So here I'm going to fan out my 3rd one, and I'm going to place that into the grapevine at a slant, and I'm just going to keep going until I make my way all the way around. I have a feeling that the blues and oranges are going to be really, really popular this fall. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It really does help grow my channel, and I love making wreaths. I love crafts, I love bows, I love all the pretty things. I had 4 pieces left over. That's how full these stems are. So I was trying to figure out where to place them. So what I did was I put them on my door hanger just to kind of look at it straight on to find out where I could put these other 4 pieces. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going in with the last 4. It's going to be really, really full and very pretty. Friends, if you have projects that you're working on, please leave them in the comments. I want to see pictures of all the pretty things. I want to see what you're working on. Okay, friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.